We made a giant birthday cookie for Dad because it's his birthday. That's why we made a birthday cookie. Here's how we did it. You wash your hands. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! That was great, y'all. We gathered all of our ingredients. Let's melt the butter. Go ahead. Yes. Very good. Wow. Listen to that. Crinkles. Welcome back to our ASMR in the kitchen. Look at all that butter. Sexy. First we melt our butter. Add your brown sugar. Oh wait, this is white. Aw, friggin' I messed up.
You want me to redo it?
No. White sugar. Now you add your brown sugar. Beautiful. Mix that up. Oh yeah. Delicious. Do you like that sound? I hope it gives you all of the tingles. Nasty. Then you add your homemade vanilla that you made in vodka. Beautiful. Stop. Crack your eggs into a separate bowl, just in case. That's a good one. 1, 2. Perfect. Then you take your eggs, shells, outside. Because you should always compost your eggshells. Perfect. Ooh, so creamy. Then you add 2 1/4 cups flour. Don't stir. Add your baking soda. That was good. Yes, it's perfect. And your powdered salt. So stupid, powdered salt. Beautiful. You're getting the powder everywhere. Perfect. Then you stir your powders. And then you mix it in. Oh, that is so weird looking. Ew. Oh my gosh. Gross. Beautiful. Wonderful. Everything's lovely. Add your chocolate chips. As many as you want. Oh yeah. That's great. A little more. A little more. That's a boy. That's a Harry Potter reference.
Oh my god.
Oh, so pretty.
The whole thing is just chocolate chips right now, dude.
Yeah, did you want any cookie with that?
No, I guess not.
Wow.
It's
I'd
okay.
say.
It's gonna taste delicious.
Beautiful. And then after you've done all of that, you remember to preheat your oven. Then you put your dough on your, whatever this is. Stone
I guess.
cookie baker?
Pizza cooker thing? I don't know what. I use it for pizza usually.
Yeah, I have no idea. Oh, that is so much cookie.
That is. Is it gonna still fit? I think we put in too many chocolate chips.
It's just gonna be a very thick cookie.
I'm gonna get diabetes from this.
And don't go over the dark line. Symbol. Everything the light touches is our kingdom. Except for that dark stuff. That is not. Don't touch it.
You get this off.
Corona.
I washed my hands.
I know. Wonderful. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. We've landed on Mars. It's one giant leap for man. It's one giant leap for woman. And we bake it for 20-ish minutes. Yep, Mom said this would happen. So, it cooked more like 35 minutes, but it's done! Delicious.